Hi, we Fashion Diva, organizing an event in the Westin Hotel, Mumbai. We are thankful for the designers who have participated in our exhibition like Ritu Kumar, Satya Paul, Rohit Verma and etc. We are also thankful for the Mind Twister Films for shooting our event very creatively. Thank you.
My brand is called under the name of Kawaljeet Singh, and this is the first time we're launching a shirt collection for men, which is like almost a unisex collection, which women are buying and freaking out on them. This is my first experience with Diva, and I think I'm very happy. And nice people around, and good crowd is coming, and very successful. I'm very happy with the exhibition.
मैं जो स्टॉल पे खड़ी हूँ इस्बात डिज़ाइन स्टॉल पे, आपका नाम?
My name is Vikram.
विक्रम आपको कैसे लग रहा है यहाँ पे एग्जीबिशन लगा के?
First of all, I'm representing Mariha Farooq as Asbab Designer Studio, and I'm feeling very good to be here. It's very nice experience over here in West End.
Diva is a nice exposure to many designers who are exhibiting their clothes in Bombay. I've also heard that this is the first exhibition at West End this year. It's a good attempt at the fashion industry, and we've had a great footfall. We've had a lot of clients coming in from different parts of Bombay, and we've got a lot of appreciation.
The angel oracle card readings that I do, it's not of myself, it's through God and angels, ascended masters, and spiritual teachers. So it's a cross spectrum of all religions of earth. You would ask yourself what it is that you are seeking the most, and God already knows all this. So I'm just a facilitator of information, and I use the cards as a tool to facilitate the information to you.
Footfalls were quite good, and we have got a nice response from all the customers, and it's been like everybody has been appreciating the stuff over here, hoping for the best.
मैं अभी नूरन के साथ खड़ी जिनके ब्रांड का नाम है गंगोर. क्या कहना चाहते हैं नूरन आप?
Hi, my brand name is Gangor Bridal Studio. हम लोग are situated here at Malad East. We have a good studio at Malad East, and recently we have come up with a new store at Juhu, and basically we are into more of a bridal collections in sarees, lehengas and everything. As you can see, if you want, you can just go around. You can see it's like completely Indianized. मेरा brand है जहाँ पे generally we do for bride.
Very well, we have good brands out here, and I'm proud to be one of them because we have Rohit Verma, we have Satya Paul, and Joclot Begin is the grooming partner. So we are giving out information about we have a new salon open right now in Lokanwala, which we've recently shifted. we're giving out vouchers for all the people exhibiting so that when they are taking bridal clothes and everything, accessories, they can also come and pamper themselves at the salon.
एग्जीबिशन में हमें बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है। जो भी कस्टमर आए उन्होंने सबने हमारे प्रोडक्ट को बहुत अच्छे से अप्रिशिएट किया है और उन्होंने बोला है कि दे विल कम टू द शॉप। वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल दैट यू हैव गिवन अस द चांस टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द एग्जीबिशन।
Fashion Diva, I really like that whole idea, the setup, and the complete every brand, all of the things is very nice. I like the exhibition over here, all the other setups as well. The collection is also very good.